Deep understanding on APS-C. APS-C stands for Advanced Photo System Type C. C stands for Classic. APS-C genre comes from Advanced Photo System APS. There are three types of APS: APS-H, APS-C, and APS-P. H stands for High Definition and P stands for Panoramic. Why APS-C? Low costly due to smaller size of sensor. APS-C DSLR camera price starts from nearly USD 350 above, and where full frame DSLR price starts from USD 1000. Here's a comparison of sensor size of APS-C and full frame. APS-C nearly 50mm by 22.5mm, where full frame is 36mm into 24mm. Here we get narrower angle of view when we use crop sensor or APS-C sensor. In this figure, a photo of flower taken in both full frame and APS-C. Sensor size differs the APS-C from full frame. Advantages of APS-C DSLR over full frame DSLR. APS-C DSLRs are quite low costly compared to full frame. It is quite better option for beginners to learn photography with lower price. APS-C DSLRs are less weight compared to full frame. APS-C is better choice for macro photography due to crop factor. And APS-C better choice for wildlife photography due to crop factor